months, ordinal numbers.
Now we're going to talk about different kinds of numbers that we use for the order of things and for dates. This is important. Different kinds of numbers. We use these for the order of things and we use them for dates. All right, here we go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. All right, now we're going to do another group of 10. We have 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. 20th. All right, again, now, all right, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. See how it changed? Now, for these kinds of numbers, here we go. We have 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and 30th, and 31st. Okay? 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. So again, let's say these again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Now we'll go to the teens. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. And now into the last group, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. Okay, now we have the days for every day of the month. Now, let's take these away. And remember that when we talked about days, we talked about on a day. So we're going to practice. We said on a day. For example, on Monday or on Tuesday. Okay? So we do the same thing for a specific date. So for example, my birthday is on October 3rd. My birthday is on October 3rd. Okay? That's a 3. Your birthday is on November 5th. Your birthday is on November 5th. Okay, again, my birthday is on October 3rd. Your birthday is on November 5th. Okay? Now, I'm going to ask you about your birthdays again. And let's start with Susan. Susan, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on September 10th.
All right. Susan, ask Isabel.
Isabel, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 26th.
All right. Isabel, ask Ali.
Ali, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 8th.
Good, good. Ali, ask me.
Teacher, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on October 3rd. Ali, when is Isabel's birthday?
Her birthday is on May 26th.
Isabel, when is Ali's birthday?
It is on May 8th.
And Susan, when is my birthday?
Your birthday is on October 3rd.
Yes, very good.